The Yagirala Forest is located in the Kalutara district of the Western Province in Sri Lanka. It lies near the town of Mathugama. The Yagirala Forest Research Center is a key facility managed by the Department of Forestry and Environmental Science of the University of Sri Jayawardhanapura. Before entering the forest, students are taught the basics of environmental science. They receive detailed instructions on how to properly plant trees, understanding the importance of each step. This knowledge equips them to make a positive impact as they venture into nature. After receiving their instructions, the students set off on their journey, traveling 1.5 kilometers from the research center, deeper into the heart of the forest. With each step, the connection between their studies and the living environment around them grows stronger. In the heart of the forest, the students learn about the horizontal and vertical distribution of its layers. From the forest floor to the towering canopy above, they explore how each layer supports different forms of life, creating a balanced and thriving ecosystem. Arriving at the research site, the students put their knowledge into action, planting 201 trees. Each plant represents a small but vital step toward restoring and preserving the environment, a legacy they leave for the future.